Hey folks, this is former Navy SEAL Cade Courtley with your 4Patriots Survival Minute. I'm gonna teach you how to make a safe and effective fire pit. First thing and most important is the location. So we found a place here that's got a really good natural wind break, but also it's clear of any dry debris. That's really important. All right, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna dig a smaller hole about 6 inches deep, all right? Once we do that, we're gonna surround it with rocks, and then we'll go ahead and start our fire. Okay, so you see I've got our hole dug, about 6 inches deep. I saved the dirt, it's nearby. I'll explain that to you in a little bit. Next, you wanna surround the perimeter of your hole with rocks. This is basically a way to not only maintain your fire in this area, but these rocks will also heat up and you can use them later on if it starts getting cold. So, you got your hole, you got the perimeter surrounded by rocks, it's time to start your fire. Okay, got a great fire going. You can see it's contained, it's not out of control, it's not too large. Basically a very safe fire. If you start a campfire, you are also responsible for making sure that campfire is completely out. Remember I told you to save the dirt and keep it nearby? That's the first thing you put on it. Smother that thing. Step 2, mash down on that, real good. Step 3, and this is only if you have an unlimited water source. If you're using this and this is all you have, don't. But if you're near a river or lake, douse it. Completely douse it. Step 4, you wait till it's cool enough where you can use the back of your hand and you don't feel any heat and you definitely don't see any smoke, all right? And finally, step 5, covered up with all those rocks you gathered. And that is a safely extinguished fire. That's your latest 4Patriots Survival Minute. Now be sure to subscribe to this channel so you can see my latest survival minutes every time they're ready. And please like this video and share these tips with people you care about so you can be a survivor, not a statistic. Cade out.